Welcome to Theory of Computation class. In today's class, I am going to discuss the sentences to regular expression formation and its reverse notation and few rules available in regular expression concept. So we are in last class, I give the notation for writing the regular expression from the given sentence. So in this session, they give the regular expression, you should be able to find out its corresponding sentence formation. So if you take first example, this example contains the last symbol of every string is 1 and the first symbol may be 0 or 10 or its combinations. So either if you take its epsilon, only 1 is there. So for single length string 1 is available. For 2 length string you can take 0 and 1. For 3 length you can able to take it as 101. If you want to write 4 letter means you can able to combine 0 multiple times. So 00001 for 4 length. Or 5 length means 10101. So these are all the possible way of writing the expression. So if you take the given language correct string, all strings should end with 0. So this is the answer for the first one. And if you take the second problem, in the second problem, the regular expression is given as 0 star 1 star whole star, which means that 0 may be occurred as many times or 1 may be occurred so many times, it's whole star. So 0 plus 1 whole star can be written as 0 star 1 star. And its whole star means so many times it can be occurred. But after that it contains 000 and the string may be ending with 0 or 1. So what is the generalized form means? All string should contain 000 in it. So this is the meaning. So the 000 may be prefix or suffix or an intermediate string. So the meaning is all strings should contain a substring as 000. And here the sentence formation is all strings should start with A and end with AB. Here it's the notation is all strings should contain at least 1 1 and 1 0 in it. Here the meaning is for the fifth problem, all strings should contain at least 2 zeros. That means exactly 2 zeros. So here there is no 0 in 1 star formation. So it contains only exactly 2 zeros. Others may be one count is not defined. So you can use n number of ones in this given string for the fifth problem. And sixth problem, all strings should end with 0. Previous numbers are either you can use 2 ones or 4 ones like that, which means that all strings should contain even number of ones followed by 0. So this is the answer for sixth one. And few rules are available for deriving a regular expression. So instead of writing the LHS value, you can able to reduce it as right HS value. So these are all the rules. These rules will be applied for the conversion of DFA to regular expression problem. So there are 3 methods are available. I will give the introduction about DFA to regular expression in next class. So before going to that, there are 20 and 23 rules are available. We should memorize those 23 rules for applying DFA to regular expression conversion. So if you expand the LHS part, it will be written as either the string may be epsilon or 1 1 or 2 1 or 111 or 4 1 like that. So what is the generalized form means? Except epsilon, all string contains n number of ones in it. It also contains epsilon means the generalized form is nothing but 1 star. So what is star? Star means the string should obtain 0 or more time. So this is the meaning of this one. So instead of writing epsilon plus 1 whole star, you can write it as 1 star. So here the same thing. With the help of previous rule, you can able to write the second LHS part as 1 star. So 1 star, 1 star. It's nothing but 1 star. Only one time. Okay. And here you expand that rule. Epsilon R1. 1 star means again epsilon. Epsilon is already there. 1 is there. So you can write it as 11, 111, 41 like that. Which means that it represents the first rule. That means 1 star. So all the answers for first 3 rules are 1 star. And you take this rule. Which is nothing but 0 star or 0 star 1. So what is 0 star? Epsilon 0 00 000 like that. This is the answer for the first one. Otherwise 0 star followed by 1. That means all strings should contain 0. So either this problem, otherwise the string may be single 1 or 0 followed by 1 1 or 00 followed by 1 or 000 followed by 1 like that. So if you take that is 0 outside from the given string, so the whole thing will be written as 0 star. So 0 star, if you remove 0 star, epsilon 1 is available. From the second one, 1 is there. So either you can combine 0 star from the LHS part outside and you take 0 star. 0 star can also be written as 0 star epsilon. Okay. If you take fifth rule, either the string contains 0 or a 0 with single 1 or a 0 with 2 1 or a 0 with triple 1 like that. What is the meaning of the first one? Either the string contains 0 dot epsilon like that. So you take 0 commonly outside. The other strings are epsilon 1 1 single 1 triple 1 like that, which will be written as 0 1 star. So that is the answer for this one. Pi means null set. So if you combine or if you concatenate any symbol with pi, the answer is pi. So the eighth rule is also the same thing. Either if you combine 0 or 0 star or 1 star, anything if you combine it, the answer is pi only. And pi or pi is also pi. So these are all the rules related to pi. And 0 concatenated with epsilon star means empty string. So if you combine epsilon star with 0, you can have only 0 in it. And next rule, pi or 0, that is 0 only. Epsilon or 0 means either the string may be epsilon, otherwise the string may be 0. So the answer is not epsilon. Your string may be empty or your string may be at least that means exactly 1 0 in it. So you cannot able to combine it, but you can rewritten as 0 or epsilon, but it's not equal to epsilon. Okay, the answer for epsilon star is epsilon. So epsilon star answer is epsilon. If you concatenate epsilon with 1, the answer is 1. So the same 12th rule is applied for 14th also. So I will not explain it. I will go to the 15th rule. Epsilon or pi. So if you combine or if you use or operator with pi, only the remaining answer is there, that is epsilon. So epsilon star is epsilon. Epsilon dot epsilon is epsilon. 0 or 0, that means 0. Dot means concatenation, so 0 0. So epsilon star is epsilon. Here, if you take the notation, either string is 0 or it starts with 1 1 followed by 0 or a 1 1 followed by 0 or a 1 1 followed by 0 like that. So if you take 0 outside, all string contains end with 0. The remaining are epsilon or 1 or 1 1 or lot, which can be rewritten as 1 star 0. And I already give the explanation for this 21st rule. 22nd rule is, if you concatenate 0 with epsilon, the answer is 0. And this is the most important thing. Pi star means epsilon. Epsilon star is epsilon. pi star is epsilon. Okay, and 24th rule. So if you expand the LHS part n number of times, if you are using 1 time 0 means 0 1 0, otherwise 0 1 0 1 0 or 0 1 3 times 0, like that the LHS portion. If you take right HHS portion 0 1 0 or 0 2 times 1 0 1 0, 0 followed by 1 0 1 0 1 0, like that. So these two are equal. So the answer of 0 1 whole star followed by 0 is equal to 0 of 1 0 whole star. So this is the satisfy associative property. And 0 star 1. So if you take 0 star 1, n number of 0 followed by 1. After that there may be the possibility of epsilon or 1 0 or 2 0, like that. So n number of values are possible. Then 1 1 star. What is the meaning of 1 1 star? Compulsory the string should start with 1 followed by n number of 0. So it's not equal to 1 star. The same thing, if you reverse 1 star 1, all strings should end with 1, so that it's not equal to 1 star. And 0 1 whole star means what? The LHS port of 28th rule is 0 1 0 1 2 times or 0 1 3 times, like that. If you take 0 star 1 star, it's nothing but 0 plus 1 whole star. What is the meaning of that one? Either the symbol may be epsilon or 0 or 1 times 0 or its combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, like that. So these two values are not equal. Epsilon or epsilon is epsilon. So pi or pi is pi. Like that, epsilon or epsilon is epsilon. Epsilon plus 0 whole star. What is the meaning of one? Either the string may be epsilon or single 0 or double 0, like that. So the expansion is, shortcut form is 0 star. And here the string may be epsilon or a. That means the first symbol may be epsilon or the first symbol may be a, followed by the last symbol may be epsilon or it may be 1a or 2a, like that. So the whole notation is nothing but a star. So these are all the rules for conversion of these rules will be used for conversion of DFA to regular expression. So this is the problematic portion. This portion will be discussed in next class. Thank you.